Hey everybody, welcome. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Snowy Survival, Gimkit's newest game mode. I'll explain to you what the game is, how it works, and maybe some ways to stay alive as long as you can. So once the game gets started, like it is right now, there is a countdown that takes place of 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, one or possibly more than one person, depending on how your teacher sets it up, will turn into an infected person. And then that person's job is to go around and knock out other people, and when they do that, then those other people also become infected, and then there are more people going around shooting snowballs at the regular people until eventually everybody is knocked out and everybody is turned into one of the infected people. The goal is to stay alive or not infected for as long as you can, and the person that survives the longest is crowned the winner. When you are the infected person, you want to answer a bunch of questions so you can get some snowballs for your snowball shooter, and then go and hunt people down basically and knock them out. And then you'll have more to help you out as you're knocking them out. If you're a survivor, someone who has not yet become infected, you'll want to answer questions so that you can run around with energy as long as you can. If you run out of energy, then you can't move and you have to answer more questions. So answer as many questions as you can when you're by yourself so that you can stay alive. There are some places you can kind of hide, like you can stand behind trees, but they're a little bit transparent so people can see you. On the screen right now, you just saw one of the infected people run past me shooting. You notice that right here on the screen that you can fish. So you can answer questions to get bait and fish, kind of like in Fishtopia. But the purpose here is a little bit different. So what you do is you'll catch things like water bottles and all kinds of different fish. And then up at the kind of the top right of the map, there's a farm where you can plant these things. Yes, you can plant the fish and plant the water bottles and turn them into things like med packs or shield kegs, or also snowball shooters. And then there's also a gimfish that you can turn into a key. And then after you get 10 keys, you can unlock the vault, which is in the top left corner of the map. And the vault kind of has to do with the secret with Gimkit. There's like lore behind the game where you got to try and figure out like this puzzle or behind the story, which I haven't figured it all out yet. That's for a different video, I think. The last thing I think I want to tell you is, as a non-infected person, so like right now my character is not infected. You can see that person right there is chasing me, trying to knock me out. You can get a snowball shooter yourself. So to do that, you have to fish and catch fish and then go plant the fish to grow a snowball shooter. When you get the snowball shooter, I think you start off with like maybe 16 snowballs so you can shoot the infected people. But to get more snowballs, there's a place right up there to the right. If you didn't see it, there's a blue box where you can purchase more snowballs for 5,000 energy. And then you can have more snow. It's right there, you see on the left. So you can buy snowballs for yourself as a non-infected person. But it gets pretty chaotic towards the end when there's, 15 infected people running around and, one or two regular people, because you start getting chased by like just a bunch of players, and it's fun. Everyone's yelling and having a good time. That's kind of the whole game. It's fun. We enjoy it, and we've played it several times now. If you want to keep watching, you're welcome to do so, kind of see how this game turns out. I'll let it go. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Leave a question if you have one, and we'll see you guys next time. Hasta luego.
Oh, Kendall.
You're just lucky I can't shoot this guy. Not me.
That's gonna be $1. Okay,
That's not good.
I'll give you 50. Actually, I will give you $1. Okay, why is there two Kendalls? It's fucking other scary. No, Kendall! I don't know. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Snowballs?
Kaden, that's not a very good hiding spot.
It is for the most part.
Oh, no. Don't go that way. Don't go that way. It's trapped.
They can't see me.
Kendall, she's in the tree. Yeah. No. I'm being swarmed.
No.
Cinderella said I swarmed. How could you?
Wait, now we get a fish? What is happening?
What?
No.
Who's calling me? Carlos, stop, please.
Oh, I ate. Oh. Okay, he's like,
Who's that?
he's like, I'm not one health. I'm a lot higher.
Carlos!
Get out of here.
I'm scared for my life.
I feel like a better answer.
There's no real good place to hide.
No, there's not. Oh my gosh. No, it's no. No. It's stuck. Go get Natalia. Leave me alone. Get Natalia.
Yeah, get Natalia.
Stop, please.
Addie can get out of here, dude. But you gotta answer questions. Oh my gosh.
I'm trapped.
I'm getting away from Natalia.
Get me out of this
Natalia, leave me alone.
Senor, please.
Where's Senor Bellis?
Senor, spectate Jada.
Oh, Senor Bellis is in the...
Oh,
Alright. Do you really want to do this, Senor Bellis?
you could go get Jada first. I don't know where she is anymore though.
I'm getting her. I know where she's at. No, she doesn't.
So hard to shoot the snowball. Senor's being swarmed. Get him.
She hasn't moved.
Oh my god.
I died.
Senor's like in the middle going to the left. Now he's going down.
I was still alive. No. There's schemes on this.
I'm the only one left.
I just ran out of beta apparently. Yeah, Senor's being hunted down though.
Bella's is the superior.
Yo, Ellis.
At least.
Senor, you died?
Did I what? No, I haven't died yet.
How?
There's only I think like half the people that are infected aren't playing. So.
Yeah, I keep losing connection.
Bro, you're lying.
What, man?
Bro.
So yeah, you answer more questions when you get snowballs.
Oh my god, I'm out of snowballs. Are you joking?
You have to go answer questions. I literally got back. Got reconnected and then lost connection.
I know.
Watching? No, get out of here, dude.
No, I missed.
I got Connor a surprise, guys.
Drats.
It's laggy.
Wait, Sean's
He's
still
lagging
kill
pretty
him.
badly.
What are you doing? Kill him!
Sean's a curse, isn't he?
No.
You're
Yeah,
the only one that's
I didn't get out of this. Why are you not saying if you know where he's at?
Why she hit him? He's in the form.
The what?
He's in like the top right, going down to middle left, middle right, bottom right.
Okay, that literally helps.
Hey, Coach, what's wrong?
Yeah, he's in the bottom right area.
Oh my gosh.
Why was I sent straight to canvas?
Oh, nice shot.
Yes, sir!
Senor, can we play again, please?
I don't know, you guys.
I want to be cursed this time.
We can't. If people